So we are now here at the Twingo, so here it is. Get it out of the way. We're going to try and swap the battery out and get it out this field. So I messed up my GoPro time-lapse settings, so I've had to slow this down by 5 times so you can actually see what's going on. This is me struggling to get the battery out because the extension bars I had for my sockets were too shallow. You can see here that the bolt is really far down right at the base of the battery in a really inaccessible place, so I had to clip away a bit of the already broken battery box to get it there. Just a reminder that if you want to see more of this project, to like this video, subscribe and click the notification bell. So once that bolt was out, it was then pretty easy, as I'd expected, to swap over the battery. Right, that's the battery replaced. Moment of truth. Lots of lights, no warning lights. Service indicators on. Let's start. Even got radio signal. Jackpot. Right, we're going to try and drive this now. Well, first actual drive. We are, of course, not on a public road. Ooh. No washer fluid, unsurprisingly. It's a little lumpy. But it drives. Right, so we're in a slightly better place. Drive was very lumpy, probably because the tyres are incredibly flat. But it drove. And it's a bit firmer ground, so I can get it going. I wonder how low those tyres are. Next time. That took way longer than expected, so I'm just going to not do this today. I'm going to squirt those bolts. Don't know where the other one is. Right, oh god, that's right hard to get. Can't see it. Squirt those bolts for another day because they are well and truly rusted. It's a new day. We're back here at the Twingo. I was walking the dogs nearby and thought we'll just do something else to it. So we're going to fill the washer fluid up and actually find out what tyre pressure these are. First up, tyre pressure, hooked up to the pickup truck. Not quite sure what these are supposed to be. Let's see what they actually are now. That was the weakest sound ever. 25. Let's go for 32 then. That's sort of 32, and these are now significantly harder than they were, which is good. For reference, let's just go poke the back one. The one on this side, yes, it's pressure. Yeah, you can tell just by looking at it. I WD-40'd the nuts the other day. This is extremely soft, and to be honest, the state of this wheel, not entirely convinced about it. I've seen rounder things, so let's pump this one up.
A few moments later.
Right, we are now up to 30 something. Tyre looks a lot better. Aside from the rim, which might use the spare. Then the last thing we're going to do after yesterday's squeaky windscreen, we're just going to top up the washer fluid. I'm not going to do this one-handed because it will go everywhere. Now I'm used to filling up pickup trucks, so it's quite surprising it actually only needs that much, because this thing will take all of one of those and a bit more. Let's go see if it's made a difference. Does the battery still work? Yes. Do the wipers. That's the rear one. That works. Oh, I'm going to need to shut the bonnet. Cleanest this windscreen's been in years. About this car. Number plate's not even in the centre.